Hi, so this is a collective reading for the week. If the energy resonates, continue watching. First, we will take a look at the type of energy that we will be experiencing throughout the week, followed by getting to understand the message further in detail. So, the card says mystery. The purple color here is associated with your third eye and your crown chakra, which means that you will have to tap into your intuition this week. Mystery indicates that it is okay to not have all the answers all the time. Sometimes there is beauty in not knowing everything beforehand. Imagine you are going to watch a movie and you know everything that's going to happen scene by scene. Then you will definitely not enjoy watching such a movie. Similarly, your life is also like a movie. Embrace the twists and turns, and that is what is going to make your life worthwhile. Because if there is something that's going to happen and you already know it, but that does not align with your expectations, then that is going to stress you out. So it is better to simply go with the flow. So if you are pondering upon certain questions for which you do not have answers to as yet, it's okay. You will get your answers in due time. Now, let us take a look at the affirmation we should be working with in this week, and through that, we will understand the message the universe is trying to give us for this week. And the card color is purple again, which says acceptance. I am learning to accept the things that I cannot change. Such a beautiful message, perfectly synchronized with the previous one. The previous one said it's okay to not have all the answers every time, and this one says accept whatever is happening, go with the flow, do not resist it. Sometimes you may feel out of control due to certain people or certain situations. This is because you are expecting the outcome to match your expectations. And when that does not happen, you emotionally beat yourself up. So, for example, if a certain person does not behave according to your expectations, or you do not get the answers that you expected, or the outcome of a particular situation is not according to your expectations, you feel emotionally stressed out. You feel emotionally worthless, and you suddenly start feeling that everything is out of control. This is the exact time when you have to understand everything from different perspectives. You have to understand the lesson that you are being taught, and then you have to analyze what is it that is under your control. If you do something differently, can you change the outcome of a situation? Can you bring about a change in a particular person? And if the answer is no, then simply accept it and move on. So this week, expect less and accept more. I hope this reading helps you sail through the week successfully. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for more. Bye.